Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up in Codecademy. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official page of Codecademy. You can sign up using your LinkedIn account, Google, Facebook, GitHub or an Apple account. I am going to sign up using my Google account here. Select a Google account and click on Continue button. After that, you can select the options here to get the recommendation on your interest. You can skip this by clicking on this link here. So that is how you can sign up for Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.